Kasi parang ginagawa niya na lang. Siya nagtatanong.
Ay, ayusin. Galit sa teacher.
What your friends properly?
Palagi lang sa kanila ilang teacher. Magagalit na ang teacher. Yung patatas na sarili ko. Ano lang? Oo. Ay, ilan sa adobo?
3, 4, two, next, 3, what's the 3? 3, next, 4, oh, where's 5?
Parang may ilalagay ng mga color.
Kung saan dito. Dapat alam niyo yung color.
Bella!
Sa dati.
Bella!
Parang naka-pattern lang yun. Pabilisan
Look at the shirt. Hello, Noah. Hi, Bella.
Kasi Noah, okay na siya.
Opo.
Where's Bella? Where's Bella?
Hindi ko alam eh, bakit pinasok pa nga nila ng ano.
Look at her. Who's that? Bella! Oh, look at Bella. Look at Bella. Bella! Ay, is that Bella? Hmm? Is that Bella? Oh, look at her. Bella! Oh, look at Bella. Look at Bella. Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Hello. Hello, Bella. Hello. Oh, quiet mouth na. Quiet mouth. May I see quiet mouth? Opo, opo. Quiet mouth. May I see quiet mouth? Oh, sit properly. Opo, opo, opo. Sit properly. Oh, quiet mouth. Pop. Pop. Oh, say pop. Say pop. 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 Oh, very good. Pop. 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 Very good. Pop. Pop. Very good. Pop. Very good. Pop. Finish pop. Oh. Ay, very good. Another one. Another one. Another one. Pop. Pop. Another one. Pop. Bella. Pop. Another one. Pop. Pop. Oh, look at here. Oh, what's this? Hello. Say hello. Can you say hello? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. 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 Oh, next. What's this? This one. Look. Look. Oh, the girl said, look. Look. Can you say, look? Sit down, sit properly. After hello, you say, look. Look. Look at here. Look at the picture. Look. Look. Next one. High five. High five. High five. Can you give teacher a high five? Very good. High five. High five with crying. How about this one? Well done. Well done. Can you clap your hands? Well done. Yay. Well done, well done. Yay. Oh, clap your hands. Well done. Yes, I know. It's done na po for block time. Oh, next, this one. I love you. Oh, may I say I love you? Ay, look oh. I love you. I love you. May I see a heart from your hands? I love you. Opo, stop crying na. Stop crying na. Oh, heart na. Where's your heart? Where's your heart? Heart. Ay, very good. Very good. Next one. This one. Nice to meet you. Shake hands. Shake hands. Nice to meet you. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands, teacher. Shake hands. Shake hands. Nice to meet you, Bella. Nice to meet you. Next. Oh, great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. May I see your thumb? May I see your thumb? May I see your thumb? Oh, great job daw. Great job. Great job. Oh, great job. Great job. Okay. Great job. Yun. Very good. Next. Next is follow me. Oh, can you say follow me? Teacher, follow me. Oh, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Move your hand. Ay, your hand. Move your hand. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Opo, opo. Next, sit down. Sit down lang po. Next is perfect. Perfect. Okay, say perfect. Perfect. May I see your thumbs? Perfect. Perfect. May I see your thumbs? Perfect. Bella, do it. Perfect. May I see it? Perfect. Perfect. Sit properly. Sit properly. Yes po. Next is too loud. Too loud. May I see it? Too loud? Cover your ears. Too loud. Too loud. This one. Bella, look at teacher. Too loud. Too loud. May I see mo na yung this one. Too loud. Ay, too loud and too loud. Next is pop. Pop. Gusto mo pop? Pop. 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 Oh, ano na pop? Ito, pop. 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 Oh, next word. What is the next word? Oh, no. Amazing. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, Bella. May I see? Can you say shh? Say it mo na. Ay, very good. Very good. Very good. Good job. High five. Good job, Bella. Let's go. Sit down here. Sit down. Sit down. Here. Sit down here. Sit down. Sit down first. Sit down. Sit down properly. Sit down. Okay. Very good. Okay. So, we are going to put the sticks here. The popsicle sticks here. You get one nga? You get one. Okay. You get one. Put it there. Very good. Get one. Put it there. Very good. Get one. Another. Get one. One down. Get one. Put. Very good. Now next. Orange. Very good. Next. What color is this? Red. Very good. Next. This one is purple. Violet. Next. Continue. Red. Next. Green. Ay, good job. Green. Put green. Very good. Next. Get pink. Very good. Next. Pink. Very good. Yellow. Can you get yellow? Where's yellow? Get yellow. Very good. Wow. Next. Blue. Where's blue? Not that. Where's blue? Get blue. Where's blue? This one. That's purple. Get purple. Very good. How about green? Get green. Where's green? Where's green? Here. Green. Get green. Green. Okay. Where's green? How about green? Oops. Let's go. Green. Very good. Oh. Next color. What do you want? Color? Okay, can you color the triangle? The color is that black or gray? Is that gray? Oh, can you color? Wow! Very good. Yeah. Next. Oops. Let's get one. Get another. Oh, okay. Yellow.
Let's
it properly. Okay. Color the square. 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 Help teacher up. Trace muna tayo. Hold it one. Hold it. Hold it. Hold this one. Circle. Okay. Circle. Wow. Another circle. Circle. Very good. Another circle. Ay, very good. Great job, Bella. Circle. Another circle. Bigger circle. Bigger circle. Bigger. Wait. Oh, wait lang, wait lang. Oh, sit properly, sit properly. Oh, sit properly muna. Sit properly. Very good. Oh. Circle. Circle. Very good. And next. Oh. Let's color or shade let's shade the circle. Shade. Oh, color. Color. Yay! Good job. Oh, next. Next. Color. Color. Bella. Color. What color is this? This is gray. Oh, can you say it? Gray. This is bigger circle. Look at here. Circle. Circle. Bigger. Circle. Bigger. Circle. Ay, wow! Ganda naman ang circle ni Bella. Gray. Oh, next. Circle. 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 Oops. Circle. 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 Yay! Oh, next. Okay, next. So, get another color. Get another color. Get another color. Good job. Very good. Next one. Yay. Oh, next one. What color is that? Blue. Can you say it blue nga, Bella? Blue. Blue.